Myself, Dr. Umasankar Prasad, Assistant Professor, Pharmacology, GMC Betia. I will go through beta blockers today. Beta blockers, also known as beta adrenergic blocking agents, are medications that reduce your blood pressure. Beta blockers work by blocking the effects of the hormone epinephrine. Epinephrine, also known as adrenaline. Beta blockers cause your heart to beat more slowly and with less force, which lowers blood pressure. बोले
जी
कि नहीं बोल
जी
Classification of beta blockers. Beta blockers can classify next beta 1 selective, third one is with alpha blocking activity, that is carvedilol, levotalol. Non-selective, negative intrinsic sympathomimetic activity, that is nadolol, propranolol, timolol. In other non-selective beta blockers, positive intrinsic sympathomimetic activity, that is pindolol, also known as carteolol, penbutolol. Next, beta 1 selective. Beta 1 selective again divided into two: negative intrinsic sympathomimetic activity, that is atenolol, bisoprolol, esmolol, metoprolol, nebivolol. Next, positive intrinsic sympathomimetic activity, acebutolol. Next, beta blockers for high blood pressure. When other medications such as diuretics are not working or have too many side effects, they may be used in combination with other blood pressure lowering medications, including ACE inhibitor, calcium channel blockers. Less commonly used to treat beta blockers, that is glaucoma, migraines, anxiety disorders, hyperthyroidism, tremors. Next, the benefit of beta blockers. They protect bones by preventing the kidneys from excreting calcium into urine. These drugs block stress hormones. Effect of beta blockers on CVS, that is bradycardia, because of beta 1 blocking effect on SA node, atrioventricular node and arteriolar muscle. Next, cardiac contractility falls because beta 1 blocking effect. BP falls in hypertension, exactly not known, but possibilities includes a non-production of renin in the kidney. Recall, beta 1 stimulation causes stimulation of renin secretion from the kidney, but this theory has many drawbacks. B. Another possibilities are as follows: with prolonged use of beta blockers, peripheral vascular resistance, pulse rate falls, leads to fall of BP. Note, the beta blockers reduce BP but causes no postural hypotension as the cause number cause no alpha 1 blocking. Mechanism of beta blockers. Mechanism of action of beta blockers. Beta blockers acts by decreasing heart rate, decreasing cardiac output, that is early effect, also late effect of PVR. PVR, peripheral vascular resistance, that is late effect. Means BP is equal to CO into PVR. On respiratory system, the effect of non-selective beta blockers, propranolol, timolol, is to produce bronchoconstriction, particularly in asthmatics and other patients suffering from COPD. Note, in normal person to have not COPD, non-selective beta blockers generally produce bronchoconstriction. Is used as an anti-glaucoma drug. Topical beta blockers reduce the intraocular pressure, IOP, by blockade of sympathetic nerve endings in the ciliary epithelium, causing a fall in aqueous humor production. Common side effects of beta blockers include dizziness, weakness, drowsiness or fatigue, cold hands and feet, dry mouth, skin or eyes, headache, upset stomach, diarrhea or constipation. Next, metabolism, metabolic and endocrinal effects, that is lipid metabolism, sympathetic stimulation causing lipolysis, beta 3 effect, leading to release of free fatty acids in plasma. Beta blockers, particularly non-selective blocks these free fatty acids release in plasma. Long-term effects of beta blockers, particularly non-selective beta blockers, are to increase mildly the serum triglyceride, decrease serum HDL level. Both are bad for patients of IHD, ischemic heart disease, and hypertension. Next, carbohydrate metabolism. In a diabetic who is receiving insulin, or oral hypoglycemic tablet, attack of hypoglycemia can occur. This is particularly in unstable patients. In such episodes of hypoglycemia, adrenaline-induced glycogenolysis plus glucagon secretion produce recovery from hypoglycemia. Beta blockers block the glycogenolytic effects of adrenaline and reduces glucagon secretion, hence insulin or oral tablet dependent diabetics. If they have to be given beta blockers, should be extremely carefully monitored. Contraindications. Beta blockers are contraindicated in patients with symptomatic bradycardia, AV block, decompensate heart failure, and asthma. Initiation and cessation of beta blocker therapy should always be gradual to avoid side effects or symptoms of withdrawal. Example: rebound, tachycardia, hypertension, acute cardiac death. Thank you.